Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Welcome back, traders. After closing my last trade around 101,000, I've stayed on the sidelines waiting for a clearer picture to develop. Let's break down today's charts and key signals to determine what's next for Bitcoin. On the 1-hour chart, we're seeing some warning signs. A bearish divergence is forming from the spectacular rebound at 95,000 earlier this week to a candle from just 4 hours ago. Meanwhile, money flow is losing steam, and the wave trend anchor VWAP is sitting negative. In the short term, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin find a bottom here, or perhaps dump a bit further. The key levels to watch are right below 96,000, according to today's heat map. Zooming out to the daily time frame, things still look bullish. A fresh green dot has printed on the momentum wave, and the VWAP is climbing back into the positive. That's promising for the short-term outlook. But hold on, let's not ignore the higher time frames. The 5-day chart shows a red dot on the December 1st candle, right when we peaked at 104.1 thousand. On the weekly chart, a fresh red dot has just appeared. While this doesn't guarantee a dip, it's definitely a signal to remain cautious. Historically, Bitcoin has seen massive moves during Q4 in past halving years. December opened at 96,451. If we follow historical patterns, we could be looking at a 30 to 40% gain. That would bring us to the 125 to 135,000 range. Of course, history doesn't repeat, but as they say, it often rhymes. With that in mind, I'd lean towards upside potential rather than expecting a dump. The trend is still your friend in a bull run, but let's stay careful and trade smart. The heat map today is a mixed bag. On the 1-week view, there's a significant cluster around 103,000. Meanwhile, the 3-day heat map shows hot levels around 97.3 thousand and 96.8 thousand. This could indicate that market makers might look to liquidate longs around 96,000 first, then push higher to liquidate shorts at 103,000. I'll be watching this closely. On the ETF side, yesterday saw strong inflows of $233 million, with FBTC leading the pack at $121.9 million. Interestingly, BlackRock's iBit ETF sat on the sidelines, not buying a single cent. Perhaps they're just watching and waiting like us. While today's analysis is mixed, remember we're still in a bull run. If I decide to enter a trade, it'll be with a small position, just dipping a toe in the water. The key is to stay cautious and follow the charts closely. If you found value in this analysis, do me a favor. Like this video to help the channel grow, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. And for real-time insights and updates, join our Discord community. I've fixed the link. Shout out to PepeESC33 for catching that. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin is gearing up for a breakout, or are we in for a deeper correction? And see you in the next one.